Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making sauce using quince, date, pomegranate, and fresh cane juice. This sauce goes great with poultry, fowl, and fish. Let's get started. We need 1 pomegranate, 2 cups fresh cane juice, 1 lime, fresh date, and 1 quince. Most of these ingredients can be found in your local ethnic supermarket. Remove the stem of pomegranate and score the sides. Remove a quarter and de-seed it until you have 1 cup of seeds. Now slice and pit the fresh dates and chop into small pieces. Slice the quince into quarters and remove the seeds, then thinly slice. Zest the lime, then cut in half and juice half of the lime. Add the cane juice, dates, and quince into a small saucepan and place over medium-high heat and cook down until softened. Add the pomegranate to a food processor and blend. Then pour through a sieve to remove solid. Add the cooked down fruits to the food processor along with the pomegranate juice and lime zest and juice and blend thoroughly. Now your sauce is ready to serve with your favorite chicken, fowl, or fish dish. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want some more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.